Well, it's nice and warm out, so now it's time to start the next project. I am at work, so let's take a look at it. If anybody can tell what it is, it always sounds like that. That's right. No, it is not an S10. This is another body swap. That don't give it away. Moving it into the garage, you gotta pull the front end off of it, and we have to get ready to start cutting apart. 4.3. I'm gonna go ahead and get it in there. Alright, we're in the shop now. I would have done a nice, awesome video grabbing burnout, but the dude had brand new tires put on here. I'm not gonna destroy a customer's tires. That's not right in any form, so, yep. I got to clean up the shop a little bit after painting that truck. And then, I have to pull the front clip off of this. I have to pull the seat out. I have to pull the dash out. Bumper off. Back bumper off. Then we get to start destroying this perfect S10 cab. I know. I mean, look. Cab corners are perfect. Rockers are perfect on both sides. Dude already sold the bed and the doors. It's a shame. It's a shame to destroy that. If he tells us to scrap this body, I will more than likely cut off like all this stuff right here. And I will, sell it probably. Because if he ain't going to, there's somebody with an S10 that is going to want those. Dash. Yeah, I don't think it's going to make it. But I'm going to get started. Here's what's left of the S10 now. And there's what's getting body swapped. I believe it's a 38 Dodge D2, or 38 International D2. Yeah. Love these headlights. So cool. And now we're going to pull the body off of this, set the cab over onto this frame, and start getting our measurements to make sure the wheels line up. Gotta make sure the wheelbase, hood, and everything lines up over on that. It's got the tri-fold hood, which is rotted off, but we're gonna have to fix that. Yep. Let's get busy. I love this front end. If I had to do one, I'd probably do one like this. It's them headlights. Them two bullet holes in the windshield, they caught whoever they got. It's probably what all that brown stuff is on the back window.